What's up, fam? Man, I just wanted to make this little composition and document some of the stuff that I was feeling. Been thinking about my mama. As you can tell, my eyes are a little swole. Been doing a little crying. Mama used to say crying is the way that we purge our spirit. So I was doing a little crying, man. And of course, me being a writer, I thought I might drop some bars or do a little bit of poetry, rap, whatever you want to call it. Because that's therapeutic to me. And anybody that lost somebody, you already know. No matter how many days, months, years go by, that scar's still fresh. It always feel brand new. But this is for anybody that ever lost somebody. But personally, I'm talking about my mama, who was my queen, my everything. I say, traumatized since my mama died. Selfish me holding on, I seeing through my mama's eyes. I just pray I'm strong as her when my chapter is finalized. Death and healing's interchangeable, sometimes they come combined. It's funny how sometimes they share them common ties. Paul said to die is the game, my mama surprised. Having visions and dreams, watching her come alive. Trading in her flesh for glory soon as the sun arrives. And when my number called, meet me at them heaven doors. So many things I want to say, regret I never said before. I want to hug your waist, wash your feet and kiss your face. I know you saying prayers looking down from them distant gates. I pray to God I could have rearranged the switch of fate, but now I'm more mature and can respect you in a different place. I'm in a different space, a different point of view. Knowing if I would have broke, it would have disappointed you. Plus my wife and my kids would have been disappointed too. So I focus on the calling that I'm anointed to do. Amen. You always said tell the truth and make the devil mad. No more pity parties, now I'm on the better path. Dub Fresh. Rest in peace. Love you.